We know how to create forms, to check the report section and to use the agenda. Let's see now the master data section. First, let's go on the menu. Today we will focus on customers and suppliers, products and list. Everything we're about to see is only available on PC, as the web app on smartphone and tablet has reduced the functionalities. In customers and suppliers, we can add information about clients. Product lets you add products in your catalog. Categories lets you create groups inside the customer master data or product master data, so that we can create areas for the clients and areas for the different types of products. List and custom tables let you add a personalized list with a code and a description, such as a group of equipment used in the workplace. We will talk about users in another video. If we go in customers and suppliers, we can see how to add a new client. Let's click on New. As code, we can put a code we want, for example, 001, to identify that client. We can choose if the person is a natural or a legal person. Let's keep on writing all the necessary informations. Enabled, at the end of the page, refers to whether our operators can see this customer or not. If we want this client to be seen in the list of customers, let's click on Enabled. Otherwise, if this client is not active, we're not going to click it. Let's save. If we have a long list of customers to import, we can import an Excel sheet. In order to do so, let's click on the document icon on top, Export, click on Empty Excel SX. It's important to use an empty sheet already set with the right columns to proceed with this operation. Let's fill in this document, with at least the code and name, surname or business name of the customer. Let's then click on Add Files. Choose which file you want to upload and then upload. Now you have two options: Import or Replace All. The button Import adds the customers containing the file. The button Replace All acts like the other one but disables all the other customers containing the master data, but not in our file. Both of them will update a customer if this has the same code of a customer contained in the file we just uploaded. Once this is done, we can see the result of this operation in the notifications. If it's green, it means everything worked out perfectly. If it's red, it means something went wrong. We can click on View Results and it will tell us the problem. For example, if we didn't write the code number. The sections Products and List work the same way. We can click on the menu icon, Product, New, and here we can write the code for this product, barcode, description, price, discount, quantity. Let's remember to click on Enabled if we want our workers to see the product in their list on their phones. Let's now focus on customers, products and lists on the app side. Let's see how this works. If we open a form, for example cleaning service, and you select customer, you can choose which one from the list. These are the ones we put in our master data. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn for future updates. If you have any questions, contact us on info@mightydocs.com or leave a comment.